I'm going to actually show you how I changed my skin from looking like this to that and to this present glow you're actually seeing right now. I'm Beauty Skin, a skincare content creator on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe. This is actually what my skin looked like after my nice skincare routine. And if you find this video very helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe and turn on your notification button on.